We've been providing Tucson with real estate services for almost 30 years.
I'm Matt Bollinger.
And I'm John Smith.
And we're with the Smith & Bollinger real estate team. Tucson's a great place because of the community, lifestyle, richness of culture, outdoor activities.
Whether it's the desert scenery, whether it's the hikes that are available, Tucson's the world's largest little town. The thing that sets the Smith & Bollinger team apart from any other real estate agent or real estate team is that we put client before commission. We want to make sure our clients are taken care of to the point where they walk out of a transaction the most educated client that has ever purchased a house. Our team provides luxury service at all price points.
We excel in residential and commercial sales.
If you have any questions or concerned about the real estate market, reach out to us today.